Okay, so in this problem, I really don't know what I have done, but we're gonna try and solve it as it is, okay? So first of all, draw a line of exactly 20 spaces. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Now we know that B over C is 14, right? So there are 14 cases where B is over C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now there are exactly 11 cases where C is over, I'm so sorry, 11 cases where A is over B. A over B. So we have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now I'll tell you why I'm doing this. And then there are a total of 12 cases where we have C over A. So what we do basically is 12 cases where we have C over A. We can't have it anywhere here. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, and 10, 11, 12. And let us remove some from here, okay? And let us put it somewhere over here. Okay, so let's make sure if we still have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so the reason I'm doing this is because like how do I explain this? It's kind of like like I don't know, like wait, we still need one more space where nothing interferes with these ones. So we're gonna remove this and we're gonna place it over here. So we're gonna remove this thing and we're gonna place it over here. So this way 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, now we got it. Now we can easily make those 20 arrangements manually. So we have one case where there is B over C, but there is B over A and also A over C. So what we get here is B A C. Because B is over A and A is over C. That's it, B over C. Then we also have this case where we get B over C and C over A. So we have B, C, A. And we have two such more cases here. Now listen, why we did this all is because this answer could have actually been easier if not for the statement all conditions or all cases of the combination, all combinations of the letters should be present in the answer. So that means that all 6 of the combinations, which are these ones, which is like A, B, C, A, C, B, B, C, A, B, A, C, C, A, B, and C, B, A. Like all 6 of them must be present in at least one of the cases. So that's why this question becomes like so much harder. Otherwise, this question was like way, way, way easier. But now, anyways, so that means that we need to have at least one such case where the other two are not applicable. And we must also have one such case for each 3 of them where the other 2 are not applicable. So for example, when we take into consideration this particular case, what we have here is only A over B is applicable. When we take this particular case into consideration, here only B over C is applicable. When we take these two cases into consideration, only C over E is applicable. None of the others are applicable. So that's why it's necessary to have them. Otherwise, we will not get all 6 of the cases. But moving on. Now, as you can see, here 2 cases are available, applicable, which is basically, sorry, let me show you again. There we go. Which is basically B over C and A over B. So if B is over C and if A is over B, so this will obviously be the case. Like, there is no other combination where this two can be true except this one, ABC. So that's why this one is clearly going to be ABC. Do you understand that? And in this case, where we have only A over B should be true, so what we get is A over B should be true, but then B over C should not be true, so C should come here, and C over A is not true in this case, so this should be A, C, B. That's how it should work. Now moving on, let me erase the highlighted part, tuk, and now we move on. Where do we move on? The same case. We get A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Okay, now we move on towards next part, where we have B over C and C over A. So we get B over C and C over A. So that means BCA. That's the only way this can be. So BCA, BCA, BCA. Okay, so we now have a problem here. This should not be the case because, okay, let's see why there cannot be 3 different cases true at the same time. Because what this means is that B should be over C, A should be over B, and C should be over A. Now this definitely does not exist. How can A be over C and C be over A in the same case? That's simply not possible. So there was something wrong with us taking this line into consideration. Now let's shift it somewhere else. What we can do is we can take this line away from here. Sorry, we can take this line away from here and we can put it over here. So this one goes here, and then I erase this one. Okay, much better. And now we can study again. So what we do here is basically BCA, same thing, BCA. Now what we have here is AB and CA. So A over B and C over A. So CAB. That's what we get here. CAB, 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 and CAB. Now this last case, what we have is only C over A should be true. Rest of the other 2 statements should be false. So what we have here is C should be over A. But then A should not be over B. And then C should not be over B. And then, sorry, A should not be over B and B should not be over C. So what we have here is C, B, and A. So we get C, B, and A. And that's it. Now let's just confirm if we have all the 6 cases available to us. Do we have ABC? Yes, we have ABC. Do we have ACB? We have ACB. Do we have BCA? We have BCA. Do we have BAC? We have BAC. Do we have CAB? We have CAB. Do we have CBA? We have a CBA. There you go. We have all the 6 cases. Now let's ensure that what we needed, we have all of them too. Do we have 11 cases where A is over B? So let's see that A is over B 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's it. Yay, good for us. Now let's ensure if we have 12 cases where C comes over A. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. We have 12 such cases. Now let's ensure if there are 14 cases where B comes over C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There we go. Therefore, this problem is solved. The main question was how many people chose B as their first choice. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Therefore, the correct answer is 8 times. That's the answer, 8. Let's go.